another wild. Yeah, trippin', ho, yeah. AK-47 fully loaded, killing folks, yeah.
What's up? It's your girl Navy, and today I'm here with a thrift flip. Pretty much what a thrift flip is I go to the thrift store and I get a few items, and then I come back and I pair them with some of my clothes and my accessories to make the whole outfit bomb.com, okay? Because your girl do not be designer down. I'd rather pay $5 for my jeans than 30. I want y'all to comment down below which one y'all think is the best. Don't forget to subscribe, like, show your girl some love, all that good stuff. Let's get into it.
Okay, so I got these jeans from the thrift store. They were only $5. I like these jeans because they're like thick denim and they come up like high-waisted. I got this shirt from Fashion Nova. It was about $10 and it's a crop top. It's pretty. I added this cute little purse to go with it, so that completes my outfit 1. Dang, baby, what's your name? Got this denim button down from the thrift store for $6, and I really got it because it had a black velvet collar. This bralette from Walmart for $5. It had pads in them, but I took them out because I didn't like them. Leggings from Forever 21 for $10. And this is the look for outfit number 2. Aha! Okay, B. I got this shirt from the thrift store for about $3. It has like a thick cotton to the design parts of it. Look kind of vintage. I got this high-waisted denim skirt from H&M for about $16. And that's the look for outfit number 3. Y'all, I found this cool little turtleneck for like $2. Like, oh my god, $2? Thrift store is where it's at. I also got some black high-waisted jeans from the thrift store for about $7. Denim jean jacket from H&M. It was about $14. And that completes my last look, outfit number 4. Period.
And that is the end of my thrift flip. I hope you enjoyed it. I love y'all feedback. Y'all don't forget to comment your favorite outfit, okay? Bad bitches say,